What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. My name's Trevor, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix the center console. Ooh, yeah. So it's time for a story, though. I may have already told you, but let's just cover it again real quick. So I really had to get to this photo shoot because it's going to be killer. The photos turned out amazing. Only problem is mine disappeared from the site for some reason, so I need to call the guy to find out what's up. Anyhow, my shifter was literally not doing anything. It was going front to back. It was going front to back without anything. There was no clicking, no noise, nothing. And it was doing it free, so I didn't have to push this button. I didn't have to push the brake in, anything. It would just float. Now the reason for that is because I can't even really show you guys, but down inside of there, your shifter goes straight down. And then it has this little thing that sticks out, kind of like that. And your shift cable that runs back to your transmission is right there. And it kind of looks like this guy right here, actually. And so your shift cable clicks right onto that little thing on the bottom of your shifter. Got a phone call. So anyhow, your shifter cable connects to that guy, and then that's what makes it shift. But there's a lot of little parts in here to make this all work and how it goes together. So I guess let's get started on the reinstallation of this puppy. First off, I've got to make sure that I've got all of these cords out from under this plate. Once that's done, we can get the little nuts that I put in here. Yes, my center console is completely trashed. I know. And it's not because I broke it. It's literally because this piece back here, well, as you can see, is broken. Broken when I got it. And over time, it got worse. So we're going to go ahead and put these nuts back on here. I'm also gonna probably do like a little fast forward thing, and then there's one more up front here. You guys can't see it, but it is there. So let me get to it. Alright, so I said I was gonna record how to put this all together, and I ended up getting a little occupied. Got it all put back together, didn't really record much of it, and honestly, it's super easy because my top lid's broken and this piece pops out like so. You unplug that, and as you can tell, that's cracked. So it's really simple process. Maybe this isn't really a how-to video. It's more of me just finally putting my car back together to where it looks somewhat decent. When I buy this whole new centerpiece, which I think I'm going to do a double din here because a double din won't fit, and you can buy new ones that are double dins. Since I need one, that's the route I'll go. And then I'll do an actual how-to video on this, and then hopefully I can get this lid fixed because it's completely broken on that side, and honestly it annoys the dookie out of me. Anyhow, if you guys like this video, please leave us a thumbs up. Drop some comments down below, let me know what you think. Should we go with the carbon fiber one or just a standard black one that is double din? I know some places we can get those thanks to some Corvette forums. And as always, if you haven't already, please click that red subscribe button, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.